Wow!
That was full!
Yeah!
But the hammer!
Your video for me, Nick?
Kieran!
Yeah, wow!
Video for me,
Watch everyone's feet! Don't go back!
Oh, why have I get my
You want to go
phone?
back?
Maybe could you go get my
I'll
phone?
send it to you.
Wow!
Oh.
I probably end up posting it on Facebook soon. Hello! I hate you! Just say it's me. My stuff on!
Mom said it's not. It's not the rain that's making me ill.
It's it's how cold it is, isn't it?
Wow.
Beth.
Huh?
It's how cold it is, isn't it?
No. It's just the bug I have.
Hello, what?
It's just gone.
Hello.
See, I logged on my little friend.
Hello. Hello to my little nose I cannot see. Hello. Hello.
That's the next view.
I cannot see.
Wow! I'm not sure if my phone's getting this, but wow.
Oh, that is just you rewatched.
Whoa, bro!
If you rewatched it and it's just like it all was like, it's like, oh my god, this is so epic.
Makes you want to go up to the bridge, doesn't it?
Does it?
Why not?
To see the whole of the whole of the sky from the bridge.
I'm hoping this is getting all of this.
Oh, really?
I don't hold it like that.
Whoa! Did you see that, Kelly? Well, ha, video. Do you have a glove stuck to you?
Oh well.
It'll just keep your coat warm.
Did you get that?
I think so. I've had my phone like this.
Try and film it.
I am. I have been.
Oh, you have no idea.
You can take a picture of it afterwards. You can play it back and screenshot it.
So I'm just hoping it's showing up.
Holy
Whoa.
moly!
This is one I think school.
It's all going over there now.
Wow. Whoa, got that! I think I did.
One keeps that side, one keeps that side, you get one score.
Good Scottish strikes! Halloween's coming! Whoa!
I've got it!
Right, we'll send each other videos, yeah? The videos.
How do you save it?
You press square.
Yeah, that square button. Got it, I've got it, I've got it. I'm playing it back and screenshotting it and posting it on Facebook.
Yeah, alright then, cousin, you know.
Wow. Whoa, mama. It's coming over us now. Sound. Wow. Hello, Luke. Wow.
Did you screenshot your? Come on, mate. Who's that?
What to do?
Yeah, you didn't know there was
Oh, this is how it. Whoa! You just don't know where it's coming next.
Everywhere.
I know. This is why I'm like. Ah. I missed that. I think it's clearing now. It's pretty cool. Well.